Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, December 2nd. I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So, anyways, on the pound dollar monthly, I still think this is a wave one. I think this is actually all part of a crescent for a wave two. And I still think eventually this is going to go up and make a wave three, probably a wave four, and a wave five. I think this is an A over here. I think this is a B. And I think we're going to make 5 waves up for a wave C, most likely an expanding flat wave C. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, especially looking at correlated pairs like the euro dollar, I think this is very clearly 3 waves down, 3 waves up, which means we're probably going to still continue down more for a 5 wave pattern down for a 3-3-5 pattern. To me, it looks like either a running flat or an expanding flat. If it is a running flat, then it definitely could make a higher low, and then turn back up. If it's an expanding flat, then it most likely will take out both of these lows before it actually ends up turning back up. So either way, let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we did have a break of structure to the upside. So that doesn't mean trend reversal. We may actually only be at a crescent to this last wave down. This move up is definitely impulsive, so it's likely an A or 1. Then we're probably going to get a crescent to that, B or 2. Then we'll likely go up and either make a wave C, which will probably bounce from a fib level and then continue down like that. Or we're going to go up and make a wave 3, which a wave 3 still will likely bounce from fib levels, but it will not break any structure, and eventually it will just keep on going up and make that wave 3. For me personally, what I'm going to do is try to go long down here, not knowing whether it's a C or a 3, and then hopefully learn and earn at the same time whether we're looking at a wave 3 or a wave C. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, like I said, this first push up I think is either an A or 1. Until we get a break of structure, we can't even say that wave A or 1 is over. When we do get a break of structure, then most likely we'll be at a crescent to this move up. Wave B or wave 2, which I will definitely be trying to go long at the end of this wave B or wave 2, and then hopefully learn if it's a wave C and then goes back down, or whether it's a wave 3 and just keeps on making higher highs, higher lows. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. So if this break structure to the downside, that's what's going to tell me that the wave A or wave 1 is complete. Now it doesn't have to break structure, it could potentially just keep on going up. We'll know that this uptrend right here is over when we see a break of structure on like the 1, 2, 3, 4 hour time frame. Until we see that, you probably should still be looking for logs. When you do see it break structure to the downside, I would throw my Fibonacci retracement on this whole move up, and I would look for the end of a wave B or a 2, like I was explaining on the higher time frames, to go long for either a wave C or a wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.